Hi, I'm Andrew from Worldwide Vending and Refrigeration. Today I'm going to show you how to remove a Currenza note reader from your vending machine. First, you'll need to remove your cassette by activating the latch on top and pulling it upwards. Once you've removed that, you'll need to remove the plastic cover to get to your screws for removal. First thing, you need to activate the tab at the top by pushing forward on that tab and lifting the entire plate upwards. Next, to remove the note reader, remove 2 screws showing at the top and 2 screws underneath. Once the screws are removed, pull your note reader from the door cavity and disconnect the MDB line. And that is how you remove the note reader from your vending machine. Installation of the Currenza note reader, the reverse, the removal. Thank you, and this was an instructional video by Worldwide Vending and Refrigeration.